I'm Zero Kazama. This is not a game show. This is Silent Library.
Meet the players. Amanda. Mike. Kenny. Nick. Jordan. And Kelly. 6 friends, 1 team, playing for thousands of dollars in cash. The players draw cards, and the one who gets the skull and crossbones must endure an unusual punishment. If they complete the challenge, the team wins money. But if they fail, or if the teammates make too much noise, they kiss it goodbye.
Round 1. Each challenge is worth $300. But you must never forget. Silence. Begin.
The contestant must drink a glass of grapefruit juice freshly squeezed by a circus strongman.
That was the taste of victory.
Jordan down the juice, pits and all. The team starts off with $300. The contestant has 30 seconds to pop 10 clown balloons using only her pointy belt.
You ran out of time. Fail.
Amanda's pelvic workout doesn't pay off. The team loses, keeping their total at $300. The contestant has 45 seconds to remove a dog sweater and then squeeze into it himself.
Your lack of success has led to failure. No money.
Mike put the sweater on backwards, so he got collared for a loss. The team's total remains at $300.
Round 2. Each challenge is worth $400. Now remember, silence. Continue.
The contestant must allow a candelabra to drip hot wax on his chest for 20 seconds.
You took the heat, you win the money.
Kenny earns $400 for having his chest waxed. The team's total rises to $700. The contestant must be kicked by doll legs for 20 seconds.
Pain, humiliation, and success.
Nick's kicks earn another $400. The winnings climb to $1,100. The contestant must receive a spray-on tan made from foul New Jersey swamp water.
You have emerged victorious.
Kelly got sprayed, so the team gets paid. Their total rises to $1,500 as they head into round 3.
Round 3. The challenges are now worth double, $800. And above all, silence. Resume play.
The contestant has 45 seconds to eat all the jelly rings off a stranger's toes without using his hands.
There you go. Your determination was impressive. The money is yours.
Kenny down the jelly rings, good for $800. Their total is now up to $2,300. The contestant must be shot by a mechanical chicken loaded with raw eggs for 20 seconds.
Too much noise. No money.
Amanda got egged for nothing. The total remains at $2,300 as they prep for the final round.
Final round. The challenge is worth $1,000. But above all, silence. Finish the game.
In this challenge, 5 contestants must endure the punishment, and only one teammate is safe. The 5 contestants must be hit by the hard rubber blades of a ceiling fan for 20 seconds.
Your ordeal was worthwhile. You passed.
The players kept their heads in the game and win the big money challenge. They end the day with a grand total of $3,300. Congratulations, guys! You survived Silent Library, and you won some cash, $550 per player. Not bad for a day at the library.